So Terry is doing some stuffed crabs while I'm doing some ribeye sticks.
Right, I've already cleaned these two crab tops. Done. I'm going to take the meat out of these crabs. And to do that, I have a bowl of ice water with a container. I have the nutcrackers and all right. Oh, in here I have a colander. So meat goes in here, trash goes in there. Don't underestimate the meat in these legs. Oh, so yummy. All right, if you take this and you just pull it like that, meat comes right out. See that pull out? Yeah. Yumminess. And there's more. Yes. Oh, let me show you a claw. Oh, here's one. So, hey. Actually, the meat, I don't want to put it in this, not that. Okay, oops. Hey, look at that. Oh, that yummy crabness meat. They can do a number on your fingers. That's why I have this, by the way. And I also have this. Let's fish out any meat in there. Yum.
Oh, Rudy, Daddy built a fire. Good.
Claw meat. Most people say claw meat's the best part, but there is a piece of cartilage right there in the middle, so make sure you pull that out. I'm gonna finish peeling the rest of these crabs, and then we're gonna go on to stuffing. It's all gonna be good. Trust me, I promise. I actually think half of one jalapeno is gonna be enough for this. Some jalapeno, some yellow onion. Oh, hey, I think this is enough onion too. I only have 3 crabs, so adjust your recipe as needed. I have a cast iron skillet. You don't have to use a cast iron skillet. And yes, I'm in my walker because my knee is shot for the day. I'm gonna put it on medium. Put 1 tablespoon of butter. Let that start melting. That's the onion and the half of the jalapeno. And I don't have any fresh garlic. Garlic powder. And let's saute these. Lemon. I don't need it right now, but I'm gonna need it. Go ahead and add some slap your mama. A little bit. Slap your mama. That's good enough. Good enough for me. Turn it off. Remove it from the heat. Let it cool down. This is our crab meat. It's going in there. You want it all. Crackers. Crumble them up in little bitty pieces. We're using parsley flakes. I'm gonna save some of that, probably to put on top just to make it look pretty, maybe. We'll see. Some Worcestershire sauce, W sauce, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, not too much. Yeah, about that. You know, that. This is the Louisiana hot sauce. Put some of that in there. Yup. Pepper. No such thing as too much pepper, if you ask me. And some sea salt. We need an egg. Might need more crackers. Let's mix this together. Gently. Gently. Some lemon juice. These are the lemons I actually grew. And I'm doing this in case the seeds fall out because I want them. Okay. More crackers. It smells great. Highly do recommend, if you're going to do this, boil your crabs in seasoning. You can buy seasonings or you can make your own. We showed you how to do that if you want to. I'm going to preheat this oven at 350 degrees. Oh, don't forget Parmesan cheese. You need that. You want that. I don't know, about like a half a cup, something like that. Gently, gently, gently. I'm gonna add more crackers because I still haven't added our sautéed jalapeños and onions yet. They've been cooling, so should be fine. The crab shells I showed you how to clean. Stuff these crabs. Stuff up, stuff them, stuff up, stuff. If I have any left, I will find something else to do with it. It's not going to waste. Oven's preheating at 350. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge for now. More crushed up crackers on top. And butter works, but this is easier. Olive oil spray. Oh, almost forgot. Paprika. Let's sprinkle some on. Hello. Here you go. I'll just pop those in the oven. Oh, let's check on these. It's been 5 minutes. Ooh. Look at that. It's hot. I gotta put it down. Yummy. Don't eat it right away. Let it sit and rest. Stuffed crab. Yum. Oh yeah, it's really good. Crab balls.